My marriage was beautiful. I think everyone saw the photos. More coming soon. We just got them. Yeah, I don't know. Life has changed in a way that we got married and now he's working in London and I'm working in India. Very different, but I think we had this plan this year that like this is our time. He's super flying in his work and I've come back to India and feel so at home and work is coming and beautiful projects like Sajari have come to me. So, we've got a lifetime to be together and stuff. So we're rooting each other on from far right now.
एक ऐसा गाना जो मुझे लगा कि मैं बड़ा कंफर्टेबल रहूँगा उस ज़ोन में जहाँ पे इंडियन क्लासिकल, थोड़ा-सा पॉप, थोड़ा-सा ब्लेंड एंड सर्जरी इन इटसेल्फ मीन्स वेरी न्यू एंड फ्रेश एंड कोई ऐसी चीज़ जो बंदा बार-बार लगातार सुन सकता है, यू कैन लिसन टू दिस ट्रैक एनी टाइम, एनीवेयर कोई भी ज़ोन में हो whether you're out on a night drive or you're in a party और जहाँ भी आपको अच्छा लगे वैसा।
आप दोनों काफी टैलेंटेड हो ये सॉन्ग तस्वीर का आइडिया कहाँ से आया और किस तरह से शुरू किया?
You got it? You got it?
Yeah.
Yeah. Oh, हैं?
Go, go, go.
ये शुरू हुआ सारेगामा को एक नया गाना देना था और क्योंकि जिस तरीके का मैं म्यूजिक पीछे करता आया हूँ और मुझे थोड़ा सा डिफरेंट जोन में करना था जहाँ पे मैंने सिर्फ बहुत रॉ इंस्ट्रूमेंट्स लिए लाइक आई यूज्ड सारंगी, आई यूज्ड ढोलक एंड बेसिक चीज़ों के साथ मेंडोलिन के साथ ताकि I could give that retro vibe but at the same time something which is like new and flowing. तो मैं फिनलैंड में बैठा हुआ था और आई वाज विद माय मिडी स्टेशन एंड लॉजिक एंड बनता चला गया हालांकि इसने बहुत ज़्यादा टाइम लिया मेरा इस गाने ने लाइक 1.5 महीना लग गया मुझे ऑडियो बनाने के पूरे इस प्रोसेस में बट अच्छी चीज़ को टाइम लगता है एंड आई एम प्रीटी श्योर कि आप लोगों को ज़रूर पसंद आएगा ये।
It is. I have to say, you've had super hit songs, but this one's the best, I think. I think this song, Sajari, it shows Gurdeep's musical talent at like peak. There's a lot of songs that are super fun and fresh and boppy, like to dance to and stuff. But this, I go, this one's a musician. Like this one is an artist.
Thank you.
I'm just praising him all day.
Thank you so much.
You have worked with Bollywood काफी सारे प्रोजेक्ट में काम किया है तो कैसा लगा ये पंजाबी ट्रैक पे काम करना और वर्क करना?
No. Give me the mic again. No, this is not. I acted alongside Diljit Dosanjh in Amber Surya, and we did a few songs, Pagvalamunda, and I don't remember the other ones. Oops, sorry. But I love the Punjabi space. I've shot in Punjab a few times, Jalandhar, Chandigarh. Where else did I go? I went so many places. Amritsar, yeah, Golden Temple. I walked out of the Golden Temple and I saw an a rickshaw, with my last name, Gottlieb, Express on it. It was very weird. That's a little side story. But I love Punjab and I love the Punjabi music and the language. Like, I remember when I was learning the dialogues, I was like, oh, I feel the best speaking Punjabi. It has like a swag to it.
Yeah.
It does, right? Doesn't it? Yeah, I love it so much.
आप दोनों से जानना चाहेंगे आप दोनों के बीच कोलैबोरेशन कैसे शुरू हुई और क्या कॉमन इंटरेस्ट था जो आप दोनों को इस सॉन्ग में साथ किया?
क्योंकि जैसे ये गाना एक मिक्सचर है मतलब एक थोड़ा सा इंडियन टच है, एक वेस्टर्न टच है, तो और ये म्यूजिकली बहुत रिच है, नॉट जस्ट बिकॉज ये मेरा गाना है बट इस रागदारी कह लो या इसकी कॉम्पोजिशन कह लो, तो जब ये गाना पूरा बन के आया मुझे ऐसा लगा वी थॉट me and Saregama कि someone like Lauren could do justice to this track not just because she is a foreigner but someone who is musically rich जिसको म्यूजिक की स्टेप्स की डांस की बीट की पूरी उतनी नॉलेज हो एंड दिस इज हाउ वी वी आस्क्ड लॉरेन कि आप क्या हमारे साथ काम करना चाहेंगी
relatable to me in my life. I don't know. Basically, the first thing that comes in my head is usually the right thing. And when I heard this song, it was something so new and so fresh, and like you were saying, rich in music. And it just made me sit back for a second. And like, I literally was like, whoa, I went like into a tunnel listening to this song. I think nowadays there's so much like fast fashion, fast music, like things are just coming and going. And there's nothing wrong with anything, but this holds a lot of weight to me. And then I heard the best scratch that's ever been sent to me. Usually scratches come and they're like, oh, they're like, unfinished. Don't worry, like it's not done yet type of thing. And it can be really hard to go and say, yes, I want to be a part of this. But this scratch almost sounded like the final version, and something I wanted to dance to and move to and just, yeah, be a part of.
And I was like pretty confident that I told this to Saregama, like like the moment, if like I know what kind of dance style and music you would enjoy, but I was like pretty confident that the moment she'll hear the first beat, which is like slow and like like a groovy, जैसे जिसको बोलते हैं ना कि एक एक लूप में चलना और उससे बाहर ना निकल पाना, ये वो बीट है, वो खींचेगा. And I was pretty sure कि once you'll hear to the hear the music, you will be pretty much onto it. And yeah, thank you, thank you.
No, it was like an instant yes for sure that I wanted to be a part of it. I just didn't know what the lyrics meant. I can understand a little bit of Punjabi. I understand Hindi, but Punjabi can be a bit hard. And I was like, please just tell me it has a really nice meaning. Like, what's the song about? Because I wanted to be a part of a nice project. And it was Sajari, which is like that first beautiful ray of light. And I was like, done. Like, that's perfect. Yeah, very nice.
उर्दू में आपका जो है म्यूजिक काफी यूनिक स्टाइल है
जी
और आपका डांस स्टाइल भी काफी आइकॉनिक
जी.
है तो सच में आप दोनों का पर्सनल स्टाइल को ब्लेंड करना कितना मुश्किल है कितना आसान है
Huh, can I answer this?
Yes, please.
Okay. So, Pardis is the choreographer, and he had this beautiful hook step. And so I came in first to the rehearsal, and then because I have so much dance experience, I didn't want Gurdeep to be nervous, to be learning for the first time in front of me. So he, any which ways, we hadn't known each other yet.
Yeah.
He came late. He didn't want to see me either.
घबराहट हो जाती है, इतना प्रो बंदा है, and then you can't just start, and then
So then I was like, I gotta go. I gotta go. I gotta get out of here before he sees me. I just wanted him to have his own time and space to learn. And then I saw the videos and I was like, okay, like he can move. Next day I come into rehearsal and we're together. First thing he did was apologize because my coffee the day before was wrong. So sweet, yeah. But then I saw he was doing the hook step a little bit different than we were doing it. But I noticed that it was more in his natural style and more authentic. And me, as a choreographer, a teacher, like in my head, I go, no, no, no. We're not going to train him to do what we're doing. We're going to do it the way he's doing it because it's so authentic. And the second I planted that seed to Paris, he goes, you are so right. And we started just tweaking everything and making it very authentic.
thank you. Like one thing which I like about Lauren, कि like there are too many things, but in that space कि मतलब एक बंदे को पता है कि ना कि मैं कितना अपनी कला में माहिर हूँ, इतना चैंपियन हूँ. The beautiful thing about her that she kind of compromised like me doing that step, and then she got her own, like I have a different style which is a very weird style because I just can't do like be perfect. And she gave that liberty, that freedom of me doing it in my way, and then telling everyone and then herself like usko us tarike mein kiya, which is a very big thing. Otherwise I've seen artists like if they are good and confident in one particular thing, then they don't want to compromise. But thank you so much. Yeah,
Yes.
thank you so much.
I just think it is, you can be very selfish obviously, and be like, I want all the shots and all the attention. But I think a good project, the good synergy is with the whole team. And at the end of the day, this is your brainchild. You sat there in Finland and had this beautiful thought, and you had another great thought to bring me into it, which is great. But I want it to do justice to everybody. And if it's, more on me or it's the Lauren show, like that's not it's not the vibe
It
type.
has to be like a teamwork. It has to be like a good project, not just focusing on one particular. Yeah. Thank you.
I'm a reporter today too.
फ्यूचर में आप दोनों के किस टाइप के कोलैबोरेशंस के बारे में सोच रहे हो या कोई सरप्राइज प्रोजेक्ट आ रहा है आप दोनों का?
A
अगर
surprise?
अगर आप लोग सुन रहे हैं, देख रहे हैं, मैं कर सकता हूँ कुछ भी. If you want to design something with me and Lauren, I'm up for it.
I already have an idea because we did these reels to promote the song, which is very different. Where usually you just have the poster that comes out and then you have the video that comes out. And this guy right here goes, wait a second, what if we do some very different type of reels? They kind of don't even have anything to do with the song, but you get to see our, chemistry together, our comedy, together. And it was really nice. Now, I haven't seen you on screen like acting like that. Such a good actor, raw natural actor. I think he was a bit nervous to do these scenes with me because I do everything front of heart. Like, let's just.
Jeez, bro. And then, but big thanks to you. You just pushed me like, and probably I was not even getting in that space. But yeah, future collaborations, I am up for it.
A film. That's what I was going to get at. I see a film, a Punjabi film. Done, check.
प्रिंसिपल जी आपसे जानेंगे कि आपका इन्फ्लुएंस मतलब दिलेर जी का इन्फ्लुएंस आप पर बहुत रहा है
जी, जी.
तो लॉरेन आपको दिलेर जी का म्यूजिक कितना पसंद आ रहा है?
Like the best. The best. Honestly, iconic. We sat together with our friends from Saregama and we're playing all of these incredible, like, iconic 90s Daler Mehendi songs. And then I see this face and he just smiles, right? He just has that smile and he's like in his own world for like a lot of, like, he's just so in his own world. And then I look and I was like, that's your face. Like, you are a product of this incredible musical genius family. I think it is just so incredible. I like bow down to all of you guys for sure.
Thank you.
लास्टली गुरदीप वजह पंजाब में
हाँ जी.
उसके बारे में क्या कैसी सिचुएशन है?
बहुत दुख वाली बात है, पर एक चीज़ जो मुझे बहुत अच्छी लगती है पंजाब के बारे में कि ये सदियों से विपता कोई ना कोई आती है, बट सिर्फ अकेला पंजाबी ऐसा है जो अपने आप खड़ा होने की पूरी ताकत रखता है और अब तो काफ़ी हद तक अच्छा हो भी गया. अब कुछ ही गाँव में हर गाँव में पूरी मदद पहुँच चुकी है. एंड बिग थैंक्स टू एवरीवन जिन्होंने भी दुआएँ दी हैं, प्रार्थना की हैं. एंड बाकी यार पंजाबी बंदा मस्ती रहता है, आएगा तो कोई बात नहीं, पराठे अचार लस्सी खाएंगे और प्रोग्राम बना देंगे यार.
लॉरेन आपसे जानना चाहेंगे कि मतलब क्या फ्यूचर प्रोजेक्ट्स है आपका ये एल्बम के बाद?
I'm looking for more songs, really good songs. I'm getting more into the production of it, into the direction of it. I just think from all of the work that I've done in India and in the US in Hollywood, I have so much to give. So I think back in the day, I used to show up for my rehearsals, learn my steps, and then perform. And like that was it. But here I'm like, I'm getting so much more in the mix of the direction of everything, of production and whatnot. So hopefully some great songs, great collaborations. And I want to get back into films. I miss acting. I miss being on set. I miss those early call times and all that hard work and diving into a character. So hello, directors, producers, music labels. I am here. I'm your girl. Okay, thanks.
गुरदीप जी आपसे जानना
फ्यूचर प्लान क्या क्या है? फ्यूचर प्रोजेक्ट्स क्या क्या है? अभी रिवील करना बहुत जल्दी हो जाएगा क्योंकि मैंने 2-2.5 महीने सिर्फ सर्जरी पे बिताए हैं और मैं उठता भी सर्जरी, खाता भी सर्जरी, पीता भी सर्जरी। सो फॉर मी इट विल बी like it's too early to for me to announce something which is like I've been working and मैं पीछे पास में भी आपने देखा है कि मैं एक चीज को जब खत्म करता हूँ तो मैं बहुत शिद्दत से खत्म करता हूँ टिल द टाइम इट्स नॉट डन। और आज गाना रिलीज हुआ है और अच्छा रिस्पॉन्स आ रहा है। सो आई एम जस्ट करंटली फोकसिंग ऑन सर्जरी। बाकी मैं जल्द आपको बताऊंगा कि मैं अगला क्या करने वाला हूँ।
I'd love to see us perform together.
Oh.
Because such a brilliant singer. You know, a lot of people like need auto tune and all that. Like such a brilliant singer. And I think our energy, like live, like I saw him perform live last week and I was like, what are you saying? Like so energetic and so great. I'm like, let's do a live performance somewhere.
दीपा जी कहीं फ्यूचर प्लान में कुछ डिलेक्ट
Please.
प्लीज पापा जी, नॉट इवन पापा जी, मीका सिंह चाचा जी हमारे। सो आई एम डेफिनेटली लुकिंग फॉरवर्ड टू do a nice big collab, like a family big collab with Papa Ji and him, and definitely कुछ ऐसा plan होगा तो सबसे पहले मैं आप ही को बताऊंगा।
I just want to say one thing about it. I like so respect because when we first met, I was like, "What are you saying? Like your dad's Daler Mandy, your uncle is Mika Singh. Like what's going on?" But he's like, "I'm making my own lane," and I so respect that. But somewhere along the way, I am crossing my fingers and hoping for that collaboration. Like, could you imagine? Ha! See, he imagines it. It's insane.
जरूर जल्दी।
Yeah.
लास्ट में क्या मैसेज देना चाहेंगे अपने फैंस को?
सजरी गाने को पूरा सुनिए, शेयर कीजिए, लाइक कीजिए। बहुत मेहनत से बनाया है। उसमें एक बहुत अच्छा हुक स्टेप भी मैंने तैयार किया है जो कि इनके लिए ईज़ी था, मैंने बहुत टाइम लगाया है। एंड आई वुड लव टू वॉच एवरीवन डूइंग द हुक स्टेप ऑफ सजरी एंड शेयरिंग इट all over the world, like not just Indian, everywhere.
अगर दो लाइन आप बोलना
हाँ। ओ सजरी है गल्ला तेरी सजरी दिशा, सजरी है रूह मेरी लैगी निगाह, सजरा सवेरा तेरा लगे बेशुमार, सजरा है रूप तेरा अंबरा तो पार, तुरदी दा लक झूठे खावे, सपनी वांगू मेल दी जावे, दिल मेरे नू चैन न आवे, तेरे नाल वाइब सजदी, सजरी 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 सजरी।
Let's go. Iconic. So